Hello, student. Before it, we have studied about the types of elections held in India. After that, we have studied about electoral constituencies. Now, we are going to study about reserve constituency. Reserve means some seats are reserved for some special communities. So, let's start. In India, some constituencies are reserved for peoples who belonging to the scheduled caste, means SC, and scheduled tribes, ST. In SC, reserved constituencies only someone who belong to the scheduled caste can stand for elections. Means out of 543 seats in the Lok Sabha elections, some seats are reserved. Some seats are reserved for the SC. It means that in that constituencies only SC means SC community member can contest the elections. No other means a member of other caste are allowed to contest elections. Similarly, those who are belonging to the scheduled tribes can stand for elections. Same means if some seats are reserved for the SC, then only SC community member can contest the election. And in India, means some seats are reserved. Out of 543 seats, 84 seats are reserved for the SC, and 47 seats are reserved for the ST. Means this is a reservation. Sometimes there is a question also why this reservation is given. So this reservation is given for the upliftment of means for the upliftment of SC and ST. And this is very good for the SC and ST that they represent their community in the parliaments and make the law in the favor of our community, their community. Now, next topic is voter list. The list of people who are eligible for voting is prepared by Election Commission of India. This list is officially called the electoral roll and commonly known as voter list. Means before the elections, it is the work of elections commissions to prepare a voter list. And elections commissions compare voter list uh, very before election. So this is officially known as electoral roll and commonly known as voter list. In our country, all the citizens aged 18 years and above can vote in elections without any discriminations. In India, those who acquire the age of 18 or more than 18 given right to vote. This right to vote is the legal fundamental rights and no one can be denied. Means right to vote is given to everyone without any discriminations of caste, color, rich and poor. A person who attained voting age, names are added in the voter list. Those who move out of place or those who are dead are deleted. Means it is a revive. It is revives every 5 years. Means those who acquire the age of 18 year, they are added in the voter list, and those who move out of a place or those who are dead, they are deleted from the voter list. In the last year, a new system of elections photo identity card EPIC has been introduced, but this is not yet compulsory for voting. Election commissions means in elections commissions introduced a new system of electoral for voting, and it was a voter card, elections photo identity card. But this was not necessary. Yet this was not compulsory for the voting. You can cast your vote means uh, cast your vote by taking other identities also. There are approximate 13 other identities. By through these identities, you can cast your vote. Some criminals and personals with unsound minds can deny the right to vote, but only in rare situations. Means everyone those who are 18 years without any discriminations given right to vote. But in some extreme situations, rare situations, means some criminal and the persons with unsound mind can be denied right to vote. Otherwise, all the people has given right to vote. This is enough for today. Thank you.